The Piano Marvel YouTube competition looks a little different this year. In place of judges choosing finalists for you to vote on, the Piano Marvel community will have full control over the outcome of the competition. You can now vote for your favorite videos all month long, and the video with the highest number of votes in each category wins that division and the corresponding prize money. As always, we will also have an additional random drawing. We hope that everyone in this awesome community participates in the voting process, and that everyone who can and wants to enter a video does so. It's about much more than winning prizes and accolades. It's about creating a lasting legacy and a proof of progress as you look back at your best effort each year. However, if a fighting chance at the top spot is important to you, here are some tips. 1. Make sure to title your video correctly. If it isn't titled with the correct format, it will not be considered. 2. Pick your best show. Choose a song that is entertaining but that you can play very well. If you can't get a 96% on it in Piano Marvel, it probably isn't the piece to record. You also may not want to choose a piece that is more than 2 or 3 minutes long if you want a lot of views and votes. 3. Focus on video and audio quality. Even the best performances don't come across well over video if the sound quality is poor or you can hardly see the performer. Limit the background noise and record in a space with good lighting. 4. Play with musicality and expression. Piano Marvel teaches you notes and rhythms, but people want to feel something while watching a performance. Make it your own and try to infuse the piece with the tone and emotions that you want the audience to feel at each point in the performance. Bonus tip number 5. If you've done all the previous tips and you still want to make your video really stick out, get fancy with the video editing, but not too fancy. Don't go overboard. It should be simple and natural. Start by recording the audio separately so you have crisp, beautiful sound. Then record yourself playing the piece from several different angles while you listen to the audio recording that you already made. If you're feeling brave and bougie, you might even add some moving shots or some extra B-roll of something else that relates to the piece or the performance. Then throw it all together in a video editing software, sync it up, and add some flavor. Don't let the video editing overtake the performance itself though. Tips 1 through 4 are the foundation, 5 is just the extra. We wish you the best of luck. This competition has been a big part of the teacher-student part of the community for over a decade, and we're really excited to make it easier for many more in our community to participate this year. For a full list of rules, visit the link in the description of this video. We can't wait to see what incredible videos you create this year.